Hey everybody, we just want to let everybody know that the interest that we have received in manufacturing the 850R style front lower bumper lips was sufficient enough to get that process started. So we have started that process. Hopefully we will have those bumper assemblies manufactured and completed and ready to sell by April. So that's just a few months away. So if you got one busted up and you're considering fixing it, man, I've been paying $250 to get those things fixed. I think we're going to be able to get the brand new ones priced under $300. So I wouldn't fix any if I were you. The ones that I have fixed in the past, first time I hit triple-digit mile-per-hour numbers, those things came apart. I wouldn't fix one if I were you. Anyway, that's just me. So keep your eyes open for that. Next on the list, 850 style CSkins. If you have an 850 and you want to purchase CSkins, we will have leather CSkins for sale in 3 different colors. A complete seat, top and bottom, will be available for approximately $235. Now, if you want the R850 T-5R style CSkins with the Alcantara on the edge here, like mine is, those will probably be around $275 per seat. As you can see, Panther is needing that service critically. I was quoted $950 for 2 seats. I will get 2 seats for about $550. So if you are interested in 850 style CSkins, fully leather, and or the 850 T-5R style CSkins, leave me a message below. When we get these things manufactured, you can reply to my YouTube video with what color you need. I think the colors will be this dark gray, which I consider black. We have a lighter gray color, and then we have the tan color. So if you want one of those colors, reply to the YouTube video and reply with what color you want, so we can assess how many we need to start out having made immediately. If you have these 850R style seats with these deeper bolsters and the Alcantara in the middle, we are also going to be manufacturing those. We believe those will be around $285 per set. We do need to get one of these seats to make our patterns from. So I'll be having somebody, hopefully in the Chicago area, contact me about getting one of these seats over to the manufacturer so that we could get these made. So there you have it. If you're interested in 850 seats, 850 T-5R CSkins, or 850R CSkins, please reply to this YouTube video so we can work on getting a soft manufacturing count.